Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how Sintra can help you with your Shopify store. In order to do so, here we are at app.sintra.ai and we're all logged in. And what we're looking for can be found in a couple of places. Comet, our e-commerce AI employee, is going to be the one who's going to help us with our Shopify store. We can click on that and we can click on See All Power-Ups in order to find the Shopify Store Analyzer, but we can also go to the Power-Ups option in the menu. And if we scroll down, then we can find the Shopify Store Analyzer there as well. You also might want to go to Brain AI. And here with your Brain AI integrations, if we just go here, click these little arrows, and we're going to go all the way over until we get to the Shopify section. And this is still coming soon, so hopefully that will be very soon. And once you integrate that, then you can read and manage your store's orders and products directly from Sintra. So that is going to be quite helpful. But let's go ahead and head back to our power-ups. Let's go ahead and click on our Shopify Store Analyzer. And just so you know, what that does is it's going to analyze your Shopify store and get actionable insights. So if we click on that, then that's going to bring us here and we can enter in our store URL. So just copy and paste that in or type it in if you want. And then under more settings, you can add custom instructions. So if there's something specific that you are hoping to get an answer on, then you can go ahead and add that information here. Let's just click on that right there. Okay, I just want to make sure there's nothing hiding there. And let's go ahead and head over here. And I just have sort of an example here. We're going to go ahead and generate. And we're going to allow Comet to respond. Now, my Shopify store and is closed, so I'm not sure exactly what the results are going to be here, but this is just to kind of give us an idea of how that's going to work. And it looks like maybe that's just going to hang because the store is closed. There you go. So Comet has now providing us with a lot of very useful information. We can improve our user experience, product presentation, checkout process, SEO and visibility, marketing and sales strategies, and preparation before launch. So Comet is going to help you out with your Shopify store. If you have any questions, if you need to do some brainstorming on how to make sure that your Shopify store succeeds, then you can use Comet and our e-commerce AI employee. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.